International aid comes in different forms. For example, when there is an earthquake that destroys people's homes and the country's infrastructure, people need help straight away. When this happens, emergency aid is sent, sometimes by plane or land, so people have the basic things they need to survive. Sometimes it is difficult to get aid to people on the ground. The places that need the most aid are in poor countries where they have underdeveloped infrastructure, even before a natural disaster. This means if there is an earthquake or flood in one part of their country, the other part of the country can't really help because they do not have the facilities or supplies to do it. Most of the emergency aid arrives by plane, but sometimes the biggest problem is that there is nowhere to land the planes because the nearest airport has disappeared. If the emergency aid travels by truck from nearby regions, there are problems too. Moving aid to where it is needed is difficult because the roads are damaged or there are thousands of people on the roads trying to get out of the disaster area, so traveling can take hours. Another problem is related to the distribution of food. If we give all the food out at once, some people take more than they need, and there is a risk of them selling food items. Our aim is to deliver to the most vulnerable first, and then we can focus on other groups. Finding shelter to build refugee camps for displaced people isn't easy either. You need to speak to the local authorities to find out if the land is suitable for a refugee camp. That means looking to see if we can provide sanitation in that area, or if there is enough land to build tents for thousands of people.